Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we have planned that we're gonna go out with my family, with my auntie and my uncle. So we have come up with a good plan that we're gonna go to waterfalls. So guys, see here how beautiful the trees are. But the thing is, it was just too hot. But yeah, the trees, the nature had just made us keep going. It was just so beautiful to see them. For me, I just love these huge trees. It's just so nice to see them, and I'm just so happy. Oh my god, look at that. This one, it is so beautiful. Finally reached after traveling under the hot sun. So we had to take the bus to take us to the falls. So yeah, we have also reached here, and look at this monkey sitting here. What is it doing? Actually, we have to be aware of them. You'll find out why. So we have to walk again a little bit more further to reach the waterfalls. Look at it again, the trees. It's just so beautiful. Here, my little brother, he said he wants to film, so I hand over to him, and this is how it goes. I just can't stop admiring the trees. I'm not judging, they're actually cute. That couples, I mean. And look at this, I'm not sure if we can walk through this rope bridge.
Bird.
And that's my beautiful mom. Mom! Oh, that's cool.
Appa, he's asking his snacks. Mom, ki hung the tatsu na now. Come.
Okay, so let me tell you why we have to be aware of those monkeys. What they do is, they just come from nowhere, snatch your snacks, and run away. My brother, he have faced it before, and the reason you see that he's keeping it back, he's a smart kid, he knows that.
Come, they left us. Let's go fast. And Alvin, what is it? Yeah, people that come. You want to see? Careful.
Let's swim.
Let's swim. He says he wants to swim. Okay.
Here is Alvin and his dad ready to swim. Okay guys, we reached. This is the place. There are a lot of people enjoying here. Alvin is gone too. I want to go there too, but then at the bottom the water was not that clean. It's just dirty. Yeah, it's dirty. We can see that. So we decided we're gonna go on topmost, and here we are. My dad's filming, and there I go. Here's me, my mom, my auntie. This is gonna be the most memorable day. We are already obsessed. Well, I didn't plan that I'm gonna get wet, but after reaching on this place, I have decided I am going in that water. I was so excited, but there was just a lot of people. Oh, who cares? I'm going, my auntie's going. I just followed her back. I gave my specs to my dad. Just look at my auntie grabbing me in the water. My mom too. I'm never gonna forget this day. It was just the most beautiful. And I had makeup, so I was just cleaning my face so that I don't look weird. Actually, this is my first time. I've never been anywhere like this. My auntie is grabbing me back. I'm never gonna forget this day. This is so beautiful. I enjoyed a lot that day. I actually didn't want to get out of the water. By seeing me, my auntie and mom enjoying the water, my dad couldn't handle. He wanted to come in too. Later he came back, and the water was so cold. And here I am inside the water. Just kidding, there was a blank space in there. It's just so beautiful to see from the outside. And here I am after I'm done playing, after I'm satisfied. We're all getting dressed up, going to go back. So my mom was having snacks, and here goes a monkey. From where? I don't know. They are just sitting and waiting there, looking for a chance so that they could just snatch the snacks, run away. My uncle fed that monkey. He's enjoying. Actually, I was scared at that time. What if he snatched my phone? I wasn't sure, but then my dad was like, they can do that. You have to be careful. While my uncle was feeding these two monkeys, a monkey came with her baby. That was so cute. So lovely, she's hanging on her mother. Here, mommy gave one piece to Alvin. Without his knowledge, this monkey grabbed it from him. But Alvin did not know because he was eating the other one. These monkeys are really cunning. Mom tried giving the mother, but the other friend had always took it. There's no chance for the mother. That breaks my heart. See, not again. He's taking it. This time it fell. I'm sure. But the baby's eating. That's so cute. One more monkey came to my auntie, tried to grab her snack. This time he tried to go inside her bag. I was actually scared of these monkeys because this monkey right here who's climbing down, this monkey tried to attack me because I screamed when he tried to grab a snack from Alvin. So guys, that is it for the monkey video, and here we are heading back, going back to the van. Back to my trees, they're just so beautiful. And that is it. Later that day we went shopping, and there I get to do my nails for free. So this brother right here, he's doing my nails, and guys, he's really slow. You can see I actually fast the video, I speed it up, but still it looks slow. It's just how he did. He went in with a yellow color, making some dots and all of my fingers. And later he went in with white color, made a flower, and it's not bad, it's beautiful. I appreciate this brother that he did it so well, and I was actually satisfied. You'll see it guys, it is just so beautiful. done. It's really cute. It's just so my type. I love it.